Hi friends, I am Prasad. I am doing a project which is work similar to ATM. Anytime money. Let's go and check the board, components and the software which I am using. These are the components which I am using, such as 8051, basic board, the LCD, and using your communication for amount transmission or data transmission. I am using an IC of 8051 family of Philips P8NB51RD2, and the software which I am using are Key Microvision and Flash Magic Tool for dumping the code. I am providing a power supply. I am connecting USB to your converter. Connecting USB to PC. I'm turning on the power. Now I'm selecting my hex file of ATM. And now I'm dumping the code to my 8051 board. Just see here, I'm trying to connect. See, it's now the programming. When the programming is done, we are ready for the demo. It's verifying now, and now it's finished. I'm using a hyper terminal software for serial communication. It's loading now. Okay, we have to give the new name for the and select comport 9 and restore it to default. Okay, after dumping the code, just reset. Okay, it's showing as welcome to ATM, and press any key. Press any key means you need to press any key which will take you inside. Okay, it's asking for a password. Just enter your password. Just I had given a password like 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is my password. The password is correct. It will give you two options. First one is B, balance inquiry, and second one is amount withdrawal. Okay, let me show my balance, total balance which I had in my account. If I press 1, it will give my balance. Your balance is 5000. Next I want to continue my transaction. Press 1 for exit and 2 to withdraw. I am pressing 2 for amount withdrawal. Okay, it's asking again for password. I am entering my password again. If the password entered is proper, it will take me for the amount withdrawal. Okay, I am going to withdraw some amount. Now I have to enter the amount which I want to draw. So I am drawing some 500, and that's the amount which I had entered. My remaining balance is 4500, which is shown. Now let me show you one more example of drawing some more amounts. Now I am going to withdraw an amount of somewhat 500 again. This is the amount which I had entered, 500. My remaining balance is 4000. What happens if I enter a wrong password? Let me show you what happens if I enter wrong password. Okay, I entered a wrong password. It shows the password is wrong, and then it will return back to welcome to ATM. Thank you. I will return back again with a new concept from next week. Thank you.